Are you looking for a simple and reliable way to convert your MBOX files into EML format? Welcome to WholeClear MBOX to EML Converter, an impeccable solution designed to make your email conversion process fast, accurate, and effortless. With this powerful tool, you can easily transfer your MBOX emails to EML format without any data loss or technical hassle. Highlighted features of Thunderbird to Windows Live Mail Converter. Easy-to-use GUI, a clean and intuitive interface that anyone can operate effortlessly. Supports all MBOX clients. Works seamlessly with Thunderbird, Apple Mail, Eudora, Entourage, and other MBOX-based email clients. Preserves data integrity. Keeps all meta properties, attachments, and rich text formatting intact during conversion. Completely self-reliant. No need for any external tool or email client to perform the conversion. Working steps to convert MBOX files to EML format. Step 1. Download and install WholeClear MBOX to EML Converter on your system. Step 2. Choose MBOX as the source file format. Step 3. Add your MBOX files or folders for conversion. Step 4. Select Convert to EML file format.ml. Step 5. Choose the destination path where you want to save the converted files. Step 6. Click Convert Now, and your MBOX files will instantly be turned into EML files. WholeClear MBOX to EML Converter, the smart, secure, and efficient way to manage your email data conversion with complete peace of mind. For any query, visit our website. Thanks for watching.